Grand Rising, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm just going to go in quickly about how the hustle I came along for you guys on how to make money selling and flipping pallets. It's easy hustles, not hard to do, uh, quite simple, doesn't take much to get started. As you can see, as I go through it, you'll see what type of things you need and what you can do and how to get them and where to find them. I'll briefly go over that with you. Anyone looking for ways to make extra money can collect these pallets and sell them to other companies. Yes, you have to put in a little time and effort. However, the money you make may be worth it. So, here are some answers to questions you might have on how to recycle pallets. So, how much do they pay for the pallets? That's probably the number one question. How much do they pay? The price you'll get for your pallets depends on a few factors. The pallets in good condition, you'll be able to sell them for more. Pallets prices range from anywhere 50 cents to each, up to $4 each. Price you get for a pallet depends on these factors: what area you live in, how many recyclers are in the area, what local recycling companies are willing to pay in the area. So that's another thing. What recycle companies are willing to pay in your area. If you deliver quality pallets, you may be able to get yourself a few clients for who are willing to pay a decent price for them. But finding the right clients, you can earn some valuable side hustle money. So it's a good side hustle. You earn some valuable money doing that, selling pallets. For instance, let's say you can get two clients willing to pay you $2 per pallet. Each client buys 100 pallets a week. You can make $400 per week selling pallets. You might be wondering why companies would want to buy pallets from some guy off the street. Companies in need for pallets. That's why it's hard to come by. A lot of people don't want to do this, but it's a great opportunity out there. You ought to get money, collect some pallets. So, just a good way to do it. So, companies in need for pallets for shipping, stuff like that. So, that's why it's a big demand for pallets. Remember, the companies you service will want to know you keep up with your needs. So once you do it once, they're gonna want to know, can you come back next week and do it the same, do it again. They'll want you to be able to meet the daily or weekly pallet demand and provide good service too. So if you commit to doing these two things, companies may want your business on the regular. So commit to do those two things. Your company may want your business on the regular. In most cases, pallet reselling is handled on a cash basis. So it means you'll be getting paid in cash after every delivery. Most times, if you set up a recurring relationship, they'll probably want to invoice you per week. So, but you still be making good money. So it's not a 9 to 5 that you'll have to do, um, and none of that. So where can you find the pallets? Find pallets any local business that's distributing, retailing. The pallets are everywhere. Factories, all those type of companies like that. You go over there, and how can you get the pallet? Who buys wood pallets? Like I said, same people, same type of companies as before. So you can sell local manufacturers, sell on Craigslist, sell pallets, sell to pallet brokers. So there's three different ways you can sell pallets right there. Go back over it again. You sell local manufacturers, sell on Craigslist, and sell to pallet brokers. So there's brokers, Google in your city, there's pallet brokers who buy pallets. So there's Camps Pallets, North American Pallet Recycling Network. Those are two companies you can Google that I'll give you. National Wood Pallet Container Association, that's another one. And look up recycle.net. So, and there's plenty local pallet companies that you can probably take your pallets, damaged pallets to, and so on and so forth. And the conditions of the pallets, that's most important to get the better than top grade payment to do that. So there you go. Quick and easy hustle, recycling pallets. Very easy. What kind of pallets the most popular? Well, there's several kinds. As I put it in my thing, you'll see many different pallets to sell, many different kind of pallets. 2x4, 4x4, 2 entry, 4 entry, 4-way entry, 2-way entry. So there's many different type of pallets. Uh, as you see, I put on there the most popular types to sell and try to find and retail. So use those pallets and you should come out good with a good return every day if you're consistent. Just make good money. Um, just stay consistent with it and watch the dough roll in. That's it. Find them. Set up a relationship with the companies where you find them, and take them to the pallet yards or manufacturers who need pallets, and voila, $4 per pallet, 10 pallets, $40, 100 pallets, $400, 100 pallets a day, 5 days a week. That's $2,000. So pallet business could be a good hustle. So find the industries in your area and use that, and there you go. So thank you. Peace to everyone. If you could like, subscribe, share, be greatly appreciated. You need consultation, any of those things, give me a call, give me an email, hit me in the description down below. Thank you. Peace to the gods.